Did you know that over 1 billion people use Google Maps every month? While most people use it to find their way, you could be using it to find a way to earn money. In today's video, I'll reveal 5 powerful strategies to make money on Google Maps. Strategy number 1. Optimizing Google business profiles for small businesses. You might wonder, what's the significance of optimizing Google for businesses? Well, it's essentially a digital makeover for local businesses that can significantly enhance their visibility and attract more customers. Let me illustrate this with a scenario. You are hungry and searching for pizza near me on Google Maps. Which restaurant would you likely choose? Probably the one with a comprehensive profile, appetizing photos, and excellent reviews, rather than one with minimal information. This illustrates the impact of a well-optimized Google My Business profile. Now, how do you identify businesses that could use your assistance? It's quite simple. Just open Google Maps and search for local businesses. Pay attention to listings that lack information, have few or no photos or no reviews. These represent potential clients across various sectors, from chiropractors and dentists to hair salons and auto repair shops. Once you've located a business that needs help, what's the next step? Step 1. Assist them in claiming their business listing, if they haven't already done so. Many businesses have yet to claim their profiles. Step 2. Verify that their basic information is accurate, including the business name, address, phone number, and website link. You'd be surprised at how many have missing details. Step 3. Guide them in selecting the appropriate business category. Step 4. Help them upload high-quality photos that showcase their business. Step 5. Encourage them to gather more customer reviews, or even assist in establishing a process or program for this. You might be asking, can I really earn money doing this? The answer is yes. I managed to earn $700 in about 4 hours. Just keep in mind, it took me that time to find 3 clients, selling 2 for $250 each and 1 for $200. Delivering the services required quite a bit of back and forth communication since I was still learning the process. What's truly exciting is that this is just the beginning. Once you've mastered optimizing Google My Business profiles, you can expand your offerings with additional services. Strategy number 2. Offering local SEO optimization services. You can also offer local SEO optimization services using Google Maps. After mastering Google My Business optimization, you can enhance your skills to help businesses thrive in local searches, ensuring they show up when potential customers are nearby. SEO is broadcasting a business's presence to local customers. It involves more than just updating the Google business listing. You'll need to ensure the business's name, address, and phone number are consistent across all platforms. Building local citations and optimizing their website with relevant local keywords are also key steps. Additionally, managing online reviews and creating locally relevant content is part of the process. You can start providing these services within your local community, fostering personal connections and rapport with clients. Many successful SEO professionals begin with basic knowledge and evolve to manage comprehensive local SEO campaigns, earning substantial incomes. Numerous resources, such as free courses on Coursera and Moz's Beginner's Guide to SEO, are available to help you get started. Pricing your services can begin with basic local SEO audits for around $100 to $200, gradually moving to monthly retainers as your experience and client base grow. Many freelancers charge between $500 and $2,000 per client, depending on their services. The best part about SEO is that it requires ongoing optimization, allowing you to build long-term relationships with clients. It's generally easier to sell to existing satisfied customers than to find new ones. Strategy number 3. Creating virtual tours for businesses. After learning into local SEO, it's worth exploring a visually appealing way to earn money with Google Maps, assisting businesses in creating virtual tours. This is the advantage of a virtual tour. Research indicates that when someone experiences a virtual tour, they are more likely to schedule an appointment with that business. As competition grows, this advantage is becoming increasingly sought after. So, how can you identify businesses that need virtual tours? Once again, utilize Google Maps. Search for local businesses and focus on listings that lack photos, particularly in sectors like real estate, hospitality, tourism, and salons. These businesses are ideal clients as their customers will appreciate a strong visual experience. If you're interested in learning how to create virtual tours, plenty of free online resources are available to guide you. Additionally, platforms like Google Street View Trusted offer the necessary tools to produce high-quality 360-degree images. You might be curious about the pricing for this service. Many professionals charge between $300 and $3,000, depending on the tour size and complexity. This service can generate multiple income streams. For example, you can charge for creating the initial tour and then offer extra services such as promoting it on social media to increase traffic or providing SEO strategies to enhance its visibility in search results. Strategy number 4, offering Google Ads management services. This leads us to the fourth strategy for utilizing Google Maps, providing paid advertising services through Google Ads. These ads enable businesses to run targeted campaigns that appear in search results and on Google Maps. For example, when someone searches for pizza near me, relevant ads are displayed at the top, increasing the visibility of those businesses. By learning how to create and manage effective Google Ads campaigns, you can offer this service to local businesses aiming to attract more customers. You can begin by handling just 1 or 2 clients and, as you gain experience, gradually expand your client base. To get started, Google provides free resources through Google Ads Academy, which includes various guides and tutorials. Additionally, there are numerous videos on platforms like YouTube that detail how to set up and manage successful Google Ads campaigns. Regarding pricing, you can charge clients based on their ad spending plus your management fee. Many professionals typically charge around 15% to 20% of the ad budget, meaning if a client spends $1,000 monthly on ads, you could earn between $150 and $200 for managing their campaigns. Step 5. Affiliate marketing using Google Maps. For the last service you can provide through Google Maps, consider affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products from other businesses and earning a commission when purchases are made through your unique link. You can use Google Maps to identify local businesses that have affiliate programs and then promote them through your blog or social media platforms. For instance, you could collaborate with restaurants, hotels, or local attractions and produce content that showcases their offerings while including your affiliate links. The best part is that you can get started with minimal or no initial investment. All you need to do is select a niche, develop content, and begin promoting those affiliate products or services. So, in this video, we've explored 5 exciting ways to use Google Maps for making money. First is optimizing Google My Business profiles, offering local SEO services, creating virtual tours, managing Google Ads, and diving into affiliate marketing. Now that you've learned about these 5 ways to make money using Google Maps, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these strategies do you find most exciting, and why? Share your answers in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips and strategies to boost your online business. Remember, your success is just a few clicks away. See you in the next video.